Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tender report for Nick in Ohio on this General HP40. Nick, got ready to go for you, bud. Let's get right to it. Now, your friend specified on the low power. He wanted to key a couple watts. So there's 2 watts on low. 100-watt slug. I'll show you average power first. Low, 8 watts. He only wants it to swing about 40 peak. Low. So it's dancing about 42 peak, okay? Let's go to high power. 100-watt slug. 20-watt carrier. Hello. 44 average. Peak. Hello. 100 watt in the corner. Go the 250 watt slug. Hello. 150 peak. Alright, Nick, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump.